Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. This is a honest long-term review of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. Yes, I know I may be late to this game, but I have had time to wear it, see exactly what it can and what it cannot do, and I'm coming back with the results right now. So I won't dwell too much on basic stuff. You already know what this band is. If you do not know, I will add into the description the unboxing video and a quick look. So you have this very fancy box here. For the price at least, it's around $30, so what can you expect from it? Inside it you have the charger, which this time is a bit different. You have these pins on the back right now, and you just stick it here and into an USB charger, and that's it. For a full charge, I guess it'll take like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, something like that, not too much. But just take into account that the battery in this one is really small, like 135 milliampere hours or something. You have the usual straps. You can use the previous Mi Band 3 straps as well. They're the same, so they have made this one and the Mi Band 3 compatible from this standpoint. Okay, let's take a look at this itself. It's quite comfortable, similar to the previous one. As you may see here, I have only 12% of battery, and you may wonder what time has passed since my last full charge. So let's just start with this because it's quite amazing. And yes, boom, last charge 31 days ago. I'll let that sink in for a moment. Just think about it. So I have last charged this 1 month ago, 1 full month ago, and I still have like a 2 days battery in it, which is incredible, especially when compared to today's competitors and to the Mi Band 3, its predecessor. You have a pretty nice 0.95 inches color OLED screen here. You have a pretty responsive touch screen with this very nice capacitive button here, and on the back the usual heart rate sensor, pogo pins for charging, and the Mi logo here on top. In features you have heart rate, notifications, weather. So you have the status here, heart rate, weather. It's really cold right now, but looks like it's getting better, so fingers crossed for that. Sleep tracker, I don't know if it shows it here. No, it doesn't, but it will be displayed here in the app. I will take a look at the app in just a moment. And sports tracker, so you can go into workout and choose the sport that you want to perform. Let's say for example pole swimming. You can choose the pole size and then start. You have do not disturb alarm that you can activate from here. Music, you can control the music on your smartphone. Stopwatch, which is pretty useful. Timer, which you can custom set here. Find device. Jesus. Silent band display, you can have multiple displays here. And settings with brightness, I only keep it at 3 out of 5. I don't really need this full brightness. I can tell you for a fact that if you keep it here, it's perfectly legible during sunny days. Auto screen off, the default is like 5 seconds and you can alter it here. Lock screen, reboot, factory reset, and regulatory, and about. It shows you the firmware version. This is the latest one. This is what you can see on the strap itself. Okay, let's put it aside and let's take a look at the app. So this is the app that I'm using, the Mi Fit. You can see the steps that you've made along with the steps in the last months and whatever. You can see the sleep along with the history and the averages and everything. Heart rate along with the resting heart rate, which is really nice. Basically you can see everything that this band records. You can see it here. In profile you can set goals, activity goal, yes, and in the band settings you have here a lot of custom watch faces. You can also create your own custom ones with your own pictures. It's really nice. I don't really use any reminders other than the idle alert, goal notification, and that's about it. I don't like incoming calls, messages, or whatever. Of course, the find band location, which is important for accuracy, lift wrist to view info, heart rate detection, and here I have it tweaked a bit. I have this on full, but I have the detection frequency set up for 10 minutes instead of 1 or 5 because it's not really very important for me, so it's more than enough. Activity detection, I turned it off, and the heart rate alert. What's really nice about this band, it's the night mode. So on night mode, the brightness will turn down very much so that when you're at night in bed and you want to see what's the time, you will not blind yourself if you keep the brightness to the maximum usual. Find phone ringtone, running background, display settings, so you can choose what you want to display on the band itself. Weather settings, vibration, and lab here with the band lock. That's about it from the application standpoint. I have measured this with a GPS, and yes, it was very accurate. I can say that with certainty. Of course, you may get false positives if you're in the metro or tram or bus or whatever. Nothing is perfect, and at this price point you cannot really expect it to be perfect, but it's more or less accurate, probably more than 90%, so yeah, it's more than enough. The battery life is incredible. I wouldn't have expected it to be this good. The heart rate accuracy is decent enough. And once again, I'm coming back to the battery life, the fact that you have to charge it only, let's say, once per month or once every 2 weeks if you keep everything turned on. It's really good, and it takes away out of that battery anxiety that we all have with our phones. This is definitely the top choice for 2019 in activity wristbands. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was my in-depth review of the Mi Smart Band 4. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left parts. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. In the description, you'll also see a video of the unboxing and a quick look at this. You can take a look at that one before actually watching this full review. Once again, thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.